What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another video. Alright guys, so today we are gonna be doing kind of a reaction video, kind of a special feature, kind of something very exciting, because I am gonna be taking my very first look at what Dalton Harris are going with. Now, if you have been following me for a while, if you are a OG angel, and even if you are just coming, I am Jamaican. Yes, thank you very much. And if you have been keeping up with the X Factor over in the UK that's going on right now, you would have known also that there is a Jamaican on the show, the Dalton Harris. Now, as a Jamaican, this makes me very excited. It made me very proud. It made me want just have a whole heap of energy, because this means so much for us as a nation, locally and abroad, to see him on this platform, especially knowing where he's coming from. Now, if you don't know who Dalton Harris is, like I said earlier, he's Jamaican, and we all know him from when he was on Digital Rising Star. Now, he was 16 years old at the time, and he actually won back in 2000. Back in 2010. So we know from long time, said the pipes, oh, the pipes are work. You get what I say? So from when him just got on the show, like we saw it on social media, I've been posting about it. If you follow on Instagram, you would have seen me post about, you know, giving him the support, letting you all know that he's there. But people, he has now made it to the live show. I have not seen a performance. I think 2 performances gone now since he's been on it. And me, listen, I cannot enjoy this by myself. So I'm here with you, my angels, for us to watch it together. So let's go ahead and see what is going on with Dalton Harris on this show. All right, so I have the performance pull up right now. I think this is his first performance. He sang a rendition of Whitney Houston, I Have Nothing, I think, something like that. Now, this song, I already listened. Tessan sang this song. I don't remember if it was the semifinals, quarterfinals. I remember it wasn't a final. It was a final show? I don't remember, but it was way down when she almost win, and she had on that beautiful red dress, guys, and the little silver curtain them just drop behind her like that. If we can find that clip, me see me can show them right now. But she sang that Whitney Houston and she blew it out the freaking park. So hopefully, you know, Dalton did the same. No, we're not comparing. We're not saying nobody, you know, whatever, him is his own person. But just saying, we're already hear somebody sing over the song. So I could see if him, I could just as proud. All right, I'm going to stop talking and go to the reaction. Okay. Wait. Hold on there. Pause. Pause. And zoom in. Sure, I can't zoom on YouTube. Listen, Dalton Harris. Hold on there. Listen, Dalton. I want my Dalton on same time. So. No, seriously, Jesus. Hold on. No. Listen, you know, if it never bad, I wouldn't bring it up. Like, it is obviously tight. I am seeing hips. I am seeing where his thighs are. I am seeing knees. I am seeing calves. Like, this pants is ridiculously tight. But you can't blame him. At England, him there. Listen, on a Jamaica talent show this. And at America, this is England. And they believe it or not, the British men wear them pants really tight. Like, that is something that I learned while I was there. Them wear them pants them really tight. So him just, you know, when doing Rome, do what the Romans do. So you can't blame that got through with your tight pants, Dalton. Yeah. But love him look more arc, you see? That's nice. That jacket is bomb, of course. Yes. Sing! Oh. Okay. Yes. Wait! Excitement start, people. Excitement. No, from the video starting, I said to myself, say, I love the fact that him don't have a bag of excitement on the stage with him. I love the fact that because the song itself have a big personality. If you don't know that song, you don't know I already said this song is a powerhouse song. See, you don't want only put excitement. Him do it just like Tessan. Note him have on a red jacket. Tessan did have on a red dress. So for those of you out there who want to sing this song, red look like it work. So wear something red, have something red on the stage, have it in there somewhere because red look like it work. Right. And just like Tessa, they never have no only excitement. We see saying bring back the lights come in pan beat, so that help with effect. I love the fact that him have the little lights them behind him pan set that look really nice, that actually add to the fact that it kind of help you to focus on him. Whereas him not have on a white, same stand out. And it's just a really nice set. So kudos to whoever come up with the creative idea behind creating the set for this performance. It works. It works. Me impressed, but me not impressed. It's like Dalton can sing, we know this. Watch them a whisper. When Louis and Simon whisper about. Simon is like, he's singing it better than Winnie Houston, isn't he? And then the other person is like, Louis is like, of course he is. He's on my team. Of course, don't it? Yes, Masono, I sees y'all. Hold it. Yes, Dalton! Wanna believe me the first time I watch this? But I even a joke right now, like this authentic, like. Wanna hear that a while ago, Dada? Wanna hear that a while ago? Wanna serious? Oh, where I come from? Listen. Hear it, you know? Which part in him belly him dig up that note there a while ago? Alright, Dalton! Watch where people about cheer for Dalton, yes! Curls on point. Listen, my eco style gel don't make my ear look so summer. Dalton, I want to know what you use. Give a girl some tips, Dalton. Curls on point. Standing ovation, of course. What? No, me have to go check out the other people in that competition here because I can't. Dalton can't wipe the floor with the people them. So, I have to go check out the other people them. Oh my gosh. Him look clean and nice, see? No. We have to take, clean and nice Dalton look on the people on TV. Dalton, I represent Jamaica nice. Vocally, aesthetically, physically, everything. Everything. Him look really clean and nice. Oh, you mean? Here there, Jamaica Olympic singing. Oh, you mean? Yes! Olympic singing. Okay. To save time on this video, I'm not going to really react to the reviews. I know so everybody are telling me I'm awesome because me can say him sound awesome. So yeah. Alright, Angel. So like I said, to save time on this video, I'm not going to necessarily go through the reactions. I do believe I'm going to come back with another follow-up reaction. I know that him performed most recently, like Friday gone or something like that. So I definitely have to check that out. I am going to definitely do a reaction video like this for that too. And then next weekend again, when it come, I forgot drop that too. So just look out for those two videos. And for this video, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me posted that on this video I'm going to be giving a giveaway. Yes, tambourine, confetti. That's it name, babe? Confetti. Everything, yes. So I'm excited. I'm having my first giveaway on my channel, and this is just truly in support of Dalton Harris. Like, I'm excited about what he's doing, and for that we just have to celebrate. Some of us want to bring some niceness to my subscribers. Yes. So what the giveaway is that all you have to do to enter into this giveaway, you have to be a subscriber of my channel. leave a comment under this video telling me what your favorite part of the performance that I just watched was, and also follow me on Instagram. That is all you have to do. You will be the lucky winner of a digital or flow call credit $200. Yes! I know digital and flow not sponsor me. Me love you, you love me, we love Dalton Harris, and we just gonna love up together with them phone call credits here. So remember guys, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment under this video telling me what your favorite part of his first live performance was. Until next time, angels, thank you for being with me again. And remember, look out for the next reaction video. Love or no, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, especially for the giveaway. Yeah, leave a comment down below, especially for the giveaway. One more time, giveaway. All right, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye.